how to fix League of Legends not opening into game. Now, first things first, before we execute the troubleshooting steps, you'll have to make sure that any Riot Games or your League of Legends software or application is currently not running. For you to be able to check that, just right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Now, you'll have to double check under processes if your Riot Games or League of Legends is currently running. All you have to do is, for example, this one. Tap on that, then go to End Task. Now, you'll have to do this on all of the Riot games that is currently running on your PC before we will execute the troubleshooting steps. Now, you can also go ahead and try to check under performance or details if those applications are running. Now, once you have fully made sure that no Riot Games is currently running while executing the troubleshooting step. Now let's head to the first one. So the first troubleshooting step is go to your Windows search and go to the settings. Now from settings, just simply type in background apps. Click on background apps, and this is going to be on the main or the major problem why your League of Legends is stuck into the loading screen. Now all you have to do is just to disable background apps and try to rerun the game again. Now if this is still not working, then go back to your settings, and then from here just search graphics. Now go to graphics settings. Now, what you want to do from graphic settings is you're gonna browse your Riot Games or your League of Legends download. Now, once you have uploaded it, all you have to do is to click on that and then just choose on options and change it to high performance. Now, once everything is set, just restart your PC and try to rerun the game again. So that's it. Those are all the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix League of Legends not loading into game.